Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop. The 2018 Makers Rock collaboration is coming up on Tuesday, March 20th. This year, over 30 people have signed up to reproduce 90s rock album covers and give them away. Last year, I made the album cover for Van Halen 2, and the year before that, I made the cover for Pink Floyd's The Wall. So this year, I'm going to make the cover for the Foo Fighters, The Color and the Shape. So on Tuesday, March 20th, keep your eyes peeled on YouTube for some awesome album artwork videos from these awesome makers. People like Matt Hawes from Awesome Wood Things, Carl Jacobson from Woodshop TV, Ryan Bitters from Waylight Creations, Zach Manring from the Southern Ginger Workshop, Shelly Cole from Know What Mom Knows, Robert Dudinsky from Kaged Creations, and Miter Mike from Miter Mike's Woodshop. Now, you probably already subscribe to a lot of these makers' YouTube channels, but I bet there's some that you don't yet. In fact, for some, it's going to be their very first build video. So I'll include links to everyone's channels in the video description below. Make sure you go through the list and subscribe to everyone so that you'll see their album artwork videos show up in your YouTube subscription feed. Then on Tuesday, you can just grab a cold one, some popcorn, and binge watch all of these album artwork videos. And you can learn how you can enter each person's giveaway to win some of this awesome artwork. It's gonna rock. So I guess next Tuesday, I'll see you with my wooden version of this Foo Fighters album. I guess I better get started.